Hi, my royals. Work with me as I get my meal prep with these lovely pink mason jars that I have available in my Amazon storefront. So you can actually click the link in bio, go to my Amazon storefront for Queen Cuisine supplies to be able to get these lovely pink jars that I will be using for my meal prep and my overnight oats. So I am actually applying a Cobb salad to these jars, which is a combination of tomatoes, black olives, cucumbers, some fresh lemon juice, Roman lettuce, boiled egg. Definitely did me some jerk chicken with this, and I topped it off with some Colby cheese. Also, I'm doing the overnight oats. It's about applying roughly about a cup of the overnight oats and roughly a cup of almond vanilla milk. I love the almond vanilla milk, and can't forget the chia seeds. They definitely add a nice mixture to it. I'm using my mixer to make sure it's getting nicely mixed. And then afterwards, I'm going to add some honey into the mix it some more, and I'm just going to pop the tops on these and let them sit overnight, and they will actually store. So the next day, this is my lunch that I have available at work. It was just a matter of pouring out the jar, and this is how it came on my plate. Add some salt and pepper. I have this another cute container that I kept my dressing in. You can also find these cute containers as well available on my Amazon storefront, Queen Cuisine supplies. So just click the link in bio to get these lovely pink essential items. Royalty Reviewer.